showing you a really quick and easy make and take. This is especially for anybody. I've had several friends here locally that want to learn how to make cards, but they just don't know where to start. So this is a great card to make for starters, or even if you're advanced. It's just a nice, simple but fun card. So I'm going to show you that. Okay, so today I'm going to show you, this is the card that we made on Saturday. And it's very simple. All you need is half a sheet of cardstock. I always score mine so that it folds easier. So there's that. And then I've cut a frame. This is our new in color paper stack. I don't know if we still call that the stack anymore, but it's double-sided, so it has an image on both sides. And then it comes in all 5 of these colors. You'll get, I think, 8 sheets. I don't know, I'll have to double check that, but you get, it's a whole stack. There's 40 sheets, so you get 8 of each color. Okay, so I've die cut that already with the stitched rectangle framelits, but you don't even have to have those. You can just cut it with your paper trimmer and cut a rectangle out. So we're gonna layer this up. I just wanna make sure I'm in the screen, so I'm gonna slide this over. Okay, so we're gonna layer this up just like that. And then we're gonna stamp one stamp on here, punch it out, and then put a dimension on there. That's all we're doing. It's an easy card, but it's one that you can really use for a lot of different occasions. Okay, so I'm using the brand new Above the Clouds stamp set. It also has a punch, which I'm showing you upside down. So it has the hot air balloon, the little basket, and a pennant. So that's what the punch is, and I'm gonna show you all of that on today's quick and easy card. So all you need is black ink. I'm using the Memento Tuxedo Black. This is my go-to ink. I use it all the time. Okay, this one probably has enough room to stamp 2 of these. Oh, which is good because I got that extra little piece there. Never fails. That's why we have enough. Okay, to prevent that from happening, just don't push down too hard. There we go. See, much better. And then don't forget your chamois. I'm gonna clean that off here. This is the best stamp cleaner. I love it. Okay, so there's our hot air balloon. All we're gonna do is punch that out. Make sure you guys can see that. And if you punch upside down like this, then you can see exactly, you know, you can line it up perfectly if my hands weren't so shaky. Okay, so you notice when I punch it, it does punch out the pennant and the little basket, but we don't need that for now. So I'll just put that to the side. We're not using that in today's card. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, we're gonna pop this hot air balloon up with a dimensional. Just one, that's all you need. I mean, you can add more, but this is a quick and easy card. Okay, so I'm just gonna layer this up, just using my snail adhesive here. You don't need a lot. I kind of just put some on each of the edges and a little in the middle. Even that is probably more than enough. And we're just gonna center that. Now this one, you don't have to worry about getting it perfectly centered because we're gonna add that frame on top of it. So it's the frame that you have to worry about getting centered. So again, you don't need too much, just a little bit, maybe like an inch, inch and a half on each side to keep it there, and it will hold. So now this one, we're gonna go ahead and make sure we get our frame centered. That looks pretty good. It's a little far down, but that's okay. Slide it up a little maybe, maybe not. Okay. So there's our frame, and then we're going to stamp a sentiment. I love the sentiments on this stamp set. Life is a beautiful ride. That would be great for a birthday. We rise by lifting others. That would be great for a thank you card. Let your dreams soar. That would be great for a congratulations, a graduation, really like almost any occasion. You're off to great places. That's great for graduation. And then hi friend, like all-encompassing saying right there. So this set has really, really good sayings, really useful ones. All right, so we're going to ink that up, and we're just going to put that on the bottom with a little bit of space. There we go. I'm going to clean that one up. And the one thing about the chamois I've noticed is that when it gets really messy looking, I throw it in the washer. Do not dry it. I just throw it in with my towels or swimsuits or whatever and then pull it out to air dry. It gets rid of most of the color, maybe some of that pink. The pinks and purples leave a little bit more dye in there, but it gets rid of most of the color except for the black. The black doesn't really, it fades a little bit, but it'll stay on there. So it's okay that it's messy looking. That's what it's made for. So, okay, now we're gonna get our balloon and we're already done. And it was like 5 minutes or less. We're just gonna put our balloon there, and it's fun. I really like how the paper is double-sided so that you get that contrast, but it's in the same color. So there's our card. What do you think? And then you could even add another white piece on the inside to write a message on, or stamp some more hot air balloons on the inside. And you can also stamp your envelope to match, but you don't have to. So there's our card. I'm gonna leave those here so that you can see them. These are the new in colors. So I'll just go over these real quick. We have Seaside Spray, which is a really pretty periwinkle. Terracotta Tile. Is that what it's called? I gotta check. Yeah, Terracotta Tile. I always want to call this one Tangerine. It's definitely not Tangerine. So Terracotta Tile. Then we have Rococo Rose. We have Purple Posy. I absolutely love this color. It's so pretty, and it's gorgeous paired up with Pineapple Punch. And then Pretty Peacock. You can't go wrong if peacock's in the name. So there's our cards. I'm going to leave them up here to give you something fun to look at. And then there's the one that we just made. And you can swap that out for any sentiment if you want, just a happy birthday or a hello baby. You can use it for any occasion. So